Okay, you can see sarı saç hasta. Two more person. Keita şu gözlüklülerden birini al. Who is this one? Bu. Keita git şuraya. Yes. What is their name? Where are they from? What is your name?
Krisha.
Krisha. Where are you from, Krisha? Krisha from Germany. Good evening. Goedenavond. Hoe weet je?
Elmi.
Elmi. Waar kom jij vandaan?
Nederland.
Elmi from Holland. Hoe weet je? Takdir yazalım. Atkula priyagali Natasha. Natasha from Russia. What is your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa. Where are you from, Vanessa?
Germany.
Okay, Vanessa from Germany. Okay, Germany, Holland, Russia, Germany. Any guess? First of all, I will explain the rules in English and Turkish, and then Mr. Seba will explain also in Russian language. Ladies, we will play with the ladies 4 different games. End of the games, we will choose for 2 weeks our name is Paradiso. Hanımlarla beraber 4 tane farklı oyun oynayacağız. Oyunların sonunda 2 haftalık Paradiso'nun yeni hanımefendisini seçeceğiz.
Дорогие гости, мы будем играть с девчонками 4 различных конкурса. После этих конкурсов выберем на 2 недели мисс Парадиса.
Okay, but ladies, when we start to play games already, you cannot say, oh, this is not my style, oh, my husband will get angry, or my boyfriend will get angry, or my father will get angry. Oyunlara başladıktan sonra, vay efendim ben bunu yapamam, bu bizi bozar, bu bize gelmez, yok kocam kızar, yok babam kızar, yok. You saw all of them, they came on the stage by themselves. That's why they will do till end of the games what we will say. Gördüğünüz gibi sahneye kendi ayaklarıyla geldiler. O yüzden oyunların sonuna kadar biz ne dersek yapacaklar inşallah.
Смотрите, только после того, как начнем игры, вы не можете сказать, нет, это не для меня, нет, там муж смотрит, нет, еще что-то. Вы пришли сами, это означает, вы принимаете все наши условия.
Yes. Okay, ladies, tamam. Bonnie, did you understand? Yes. Did you understand? Can we start? We will show all games. First we will make demonstration. Okay, then you will make. Okay. For the first game, we will call on the stage Mr. Keita. Applause. Alkışlar alkış for Keita. Listen, ladies, look, you will come here, okay? You will come here. You will walk like a model, okay? Like a model. Oraya geliyorlar, oradan buraya kadar manken gibi yürüyecekler. You will walk like a model. Then, you will come here. You will give to the public 3 different poses, okay? And then, we will choose with the public applause winner of the first game. Oraya geldikten sonra misafirlere karşı 3 tane farklı poz verecekler. Okey? En iyi pozları veren yarışmacımız sizin alkışlarınızdan birinci olacak inşallah.
Смотрите, Наташа, сначала идем сюда, отсюда до конца мы идем как модель. Модельной походкой идем сюда, после этого до середины, и мы тут даем людям 3 различных позы для фотосессии. И все. У кого лучше, решает народ. И все.
Okay? Keita will show now, then you will do. Önce Keita gösterecek, sonra hanımlar yapacak. Okay? He will make for demonstration. Okay. Mr. Keita, are you ready? Hazır mısın? Oh my God. Okay. Motivation applause for Keita. Applause, alkışlar, alkış for Keita. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here you go, DJ. super right. Are you ready? No panic. Relax. Look at the Keita. Did you see Keita? It was very easy. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, Lisa.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Cock it up now, pop it up now, cock it up now, pop it up,
What are you doing? You didn't see Keita? Keita'yı görmedin mi? Yani Keita will take out you from pocket. Seni cebinden çıkardı Keita yani. Okay. Grisha, one more time. Lokman. Yeah? Nice. Yes. You came on the stage by yourself. Yes. Sahneye kendisi geldi yani. Okay. Grisha, Lokman. 3.
Давай.
Ablası Grisha. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, DJ.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Cock it up now, pop it up now, cock it up now, pop it up, yeah.
Okay, applause for Miss Metal to show Grisha. Don't do like Grisha. Don't do like Grisha. Elmi. Okay, applause for Miss Metal to show Elmi. Alright, yani Grisha. Yani did you see Keita? Oh my god. Yani Keita bundan kazandı yaptı yani. Okay. Ready? Ben Crawford. Okay. Here, look. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, DJ.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Cock it up now, pop it up now, cock it up now, pop it up, yeah.
Applause for Miss Metal to show Elmi. Okay, thank you Elmi. Grisha, you want one more time, Lokman? Oh my god. Okay, Natasha, готов? Officer da, Boże, always. Udaci Natasha. 3, 2, 1. Here you go.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Cock it up now, pop it up now, cock it up now, pop it up, yeah.
Applause for Miss Metal to show Natasha. And now time is for Vanessa. Vanessa, little bit crazy. Oh my god. I will talk with your boyfriend. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here you go, DJ.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Cock it up now, pop it up now, cock it up now, pop it up, yeah.
Applause for Miss Metal to show Vanessa. Okay. Grisha, Vanessa. Look at Seva. No. Sit. Look at the Seva. He will show. Bir daha göstersin. I think they didn't understand. Anlamadılar herhalde. Okay, Seva, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, look at the Seva, girls. Grisha. Vanessa, look. Okay, 3, 2, 1, here you go, Richard.
Dedicated to all sexy ladies. Yeah, man. Back it up now. Back it up now. Back it up now. I know it.
Applause, always well, Dr. Schwartz, Seva. Okay, and you guys can now we will choose winner of the first game with your applause. Şimdi birinci oyunun kazananını sizin alkışlarınızla beraber belirleyeceğiz. They will choose winner of the first part.
Теперь по вашим аплодисментам выбираем победительницу первого конкурса.
Okay, look, applause, applaudissements, alkış for Grisha. Okay. Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Elmi. Bosi, 8. Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Natasha. Bosi, 8, 8. Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Vanessa. Pet 5. Elmi, Natasha, final. Tonka, applaudisement, Nick Ritchie. Just applause, don't shout please. Applause, applaudisement, alkış for Elmi. Yedi, 7. Applause, applaudisement, alkış for Natasha. Okay, 7. Еще раз. Только аплодисмент. Не кричи, пожалуйста. Please don't shout. Just applause. Boys, don't shout. Just applause. Applause. Аплодисмент, alkış for Elmi. Okay. Bosi, 8. Applause. Aplodisment, alkış for Natasha. Function. Same. Okay. I think it's same. One more time. Bir daha. Just applause. Aplodisment. Sadece alkış. Applause. Aplodisment, alkış for Elmi. Natasha. Elmi. Natasha. It's been, dear guests, our first game winner, birinci oyunumuzun kazananı Elmi from Holland, Natasha from Russia. Hey guys, applause, applaudissements, alkış for Seva. Okay, and now time is for second game. Hemen ikinci oyunumuza başlıyoruz. For the second game, again we will call on the stage Mr. Anaconda Keita. Keita! Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Keita. Grisha, Vanessa, look and do it same, okay? Do it same. You will come here, we will give to you one egg. You will put that egg between your leg. But this is real, please don't break it. Это реально. Okay? And then you will show to us in your country how pregnant chicken is shouting. Herkes bize kendi ülkesindeki hamile bir tavuğun çıkardığı sesleri yapacağım. Okey.
Дорогие гости, девчонки будут стоять там. После этого мы даем реальное яйцо. И они должны с этим яйцом, яйцо между ног, они идут сюда и должны показать, как в их стране кричат беременные курицы.
Okay ladies, don't forget this is real eggs. Yumurta gerçek, kırmayalım lütfen. Okay? It will be smell. Okay? Keita, are you ready? Oh my God. Yes, Keita, please don't break it. Okay? Oh my God. Eta afrikanski kurica. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here you go, Keita. But don't do like this. Don't do like this, okay? Okay. Tamam, sen devam et Keita, sen biraz devam et. Continue to make sharp. Keita. Aplausos, alkışlar, alkışlar. Keita. Okay? It's okay? Yes. Okay, open the light, DJ. Be careful. Oh my God. Be careful. Okay. 3, 2, 1, here you go, Ganesha. No, not to room. Yes, there. There, you didn't see? Oh my God. Aplausos, alkışlar, alkışlar, Ganesha. Okay? Ready? Oh my God. Okay, yes.
More?
Be careful. Aplausos, alkışlar, alkışlar. 3, 2, 1, here you go, Natasha. Esa corona kurica. Natasha English. Aplausos, alkışlar, alkışlar, Natasha. Yes, Vanessa. No? It's okay? It's there? Sure? Okay, inshallah. Okay. If you dönür öyle yaparsın. Go back. Go. Be careful. Go. Again, Hoffman. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Here you go, Vanessa. Biggest applause, applaudissements, alkış for Grisha. 5. Biggest applause, applaudissements, alkış for Elvin. 7. Bibi Say. Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Natasha. Boxing 8. Applause, applaudissements, alkış for Vanessa. 6. It's been our second game winner, Natasha from Russia. Okay, and now gentlemen, come here please. Yes, gentlemen, come here. Gel Seva sen böyle. Okay, put the toilet paper. You will come here, okay? You have 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, you will try to close gentlemen with toilet paper. Hanımların 2 dakikaları var. 2 dakika içerisinde önündeki erkeği tuvalet kağıdıyla en iyi saran yarışmayı kazanır.
Смотрите, девчонки, у вас есть 2 минуты, чтобы этими бумагами нас обмотать. И у кого красивее, та девушка выиграла этот конкурс.
Okay? Come here ladies. Come to your... Yes. Come. Take toilet paper. Take. 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. 2. Okay, 2 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay. Ready? Ladies, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here you go, DJ. No, Natasha, ты что делаешь? Пожалуйста. Это что? Oh my God. Look, there, come here. Okay. Look at this one. Look at this one. Okay. Again, we will choose winner with your applause. Okay, applause. Our respect, applause for Grisha. Applause. Our respect, applause for Elvin. my God, record. Record, in normal, okay. Applause. Edad 1 minute. Dinleyemiyoruz ne? Adil değil. Bunun bilgine ihtiyacı var. She need one day. Okay. Applause, always ve alkış for Natasha. Oh my God, это кто? Applause, always ve alkış for Vanessa. Our winner of the third game, 3. oyunumuzun kazananı, Envy from Holland. Okay, ladies, come with me. Come with me, please. Come here. Sit here, ladies. Can I take motion? Спасибо большое. Sit, ladies. Sit, sit, sit. Sit here. Sit, sit. I give you also. Okay, look, ladies. Now they will make one sketch. Okay? They will make one sketch. After that, one by one, you will make instead of the girl. Okay? Instead of the girl. Şimdi ufak bir skeç oynayacaklar. Skeçte kızın rolünü hepsi tek tek yapacaklar. Okay? Seva? Look, first watch, then you will do. Okay?
Смотрите, сейчас будет скетч, и там одна девочка у нас играет, и вместо этой девочки будут они по очереди. Только по-разному будут выполнять эту роль. Сейчас сначала просто смотрим.
Hi darling, привет, жена.
Hi, my love.
How are you, как дела?
Супер. Fine. How are you?
Perfect. Ты знаешь что? Я забыл сигареты купить, я сейчас пойду в магазин и сигареты куплю, через 5 минут приду.
Хорошо, хорошо. Okay.
Now I will go market, buy cigarette, 5 minutes I will come back.
Okay, don't forget milk. Не забудь молоко.
Okay.
Oh my God! Oh,
Oh my
Боже!
God.
My love, how are you, Candela?
Better, now better.
Oh, Боже, где муж? Where is your husband?
Ушел в магазин.
Oh, this is my
Да.
lucky day. Это моя шанс день. Are you
Yes.
ready? Давай, let's start. Ah!
О боже.
Oh! Yeah! Oh! Oh! Ah!
Кто это? Kim bu? Who is it?
Техник сервис, это сантехник.
Teknik servis, santechnik. Sana inanmıyorum, I don't believe you. Тебе вообще не верю. Я ему убью.
Нет, no.
I will kill him. Öldüreceğim
No,
onu.
please. Я не могу без него жить.
forget to buy cigarette. Now I will go to market, buy cigarette. After 5 years, I will come back.
Do it slowly. You have all the time.
Exactly, 5 years I have. Now I will go market,
Yeah.
buy cigarette.
Don't forget to take me something.
Okay.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Fine.
Oh my God, where is your husband?
He is gone for 5 years.
This is my lucky day.
Ooh.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it started. Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh! Oh my God!
Oh my God! Who is this? Kim bu? Kitoeta?
Nobody.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm not believe you. I will kill him. Yani ne oluyor? Öldüreceğim onu.
No.
Yeah! Yeah!
No.
Go away! I will kill him. Yeah! Yeah! Thank you very much. Нифига себе! Смотри, bak oraya. Look at that.
What is that?
Light is broken. Did you see?
Oh no!
No, no.
Yeah!
Hi, Sharsi.
Hi.
How are you? Good. Perfect. Sorry? Do you know? I forget to buy cigarette. Now I go to market, buy the cigarette. 5 minutes, I will come back.
5 minutes.
Yes. Yes. Do you need something? No? Are you sure?
he coming?
5 minutes.
In 5 minutes, so I'm waiting here.
You're at 5 minutes with me.
No, I like him better. Buon luce, mush luce.
5 minutes.
No way. I like him better.
5.
No! Don't come! I don't want!
5 minutes.
I don't want you! Don't come! Oh my God! Is this your husband?
Who is
What
it?
a handsome!
Suta on ana anu. Who is it? Kim bu?
Oh my
I
God!
don't know.
You don't know? Who you know? Kim bilir?
Mannequin! Hello!
Oh my God. Far away.
Hello!
Stop. Can I kill
Go
him?
away!
Can I kill him? Even I can. What?
Go away! Go! What is your husband? I am here for him, not you. Not you.
Oh my God.
Sweetie, come here. Come here. I am better.
Better.
Ya luce.
Luce.
I am better. Control.
Kontrol.
Yes.
Kontrol. Kontrol machen. Kontrol machen. Then. He's right. Привет, сан! Merhaba san! Hello san! Как дела сан? İyi mi san? Yapardı magazin san. Koklu san, sigareti san. Pet minut san, minutu san. Malaka san, хорошо san. Sushi, nada.
Hello, Sam. How are you, Sam? Очень хорошо. Где мой Sam? Oh, Боже, this is my lucky day, моя шанс. My chance. My chance. О, Боже, какой день. О! Кто это, Sam?
Кто это сан? Sushi san? Chorli sushi san? Who is it san? Safka sushi san. Ye Mubi san. I will kill him san. Nada. Даже это не надо. Отойди сан. Suzuki san.
Yamaha.
Sony.
Namakaze.
Huh? Oh, son. Basmati son. Look to there, son. Look to there. Look there, yok. Look to there, son. Do you see, son? Bird, son.
Where is Sam?
Bird, bird. Bird. Did you see? No? Now you will see.
Oh,
This first bird, son. second, third.
Yani bakın bizim orçit. Mayasın bakaraki.
Applaus, avlisvet alkış for Vanessa. Applaus, avlisvet alkış for Elmi. 6, 6, 6. Applaus, avlisvet alkış for Grisha. Okay. Applaus, avlisvet alkış for Natasha. Okay. Elmi, Natasha. Okay, final. Elmi. Natasha. Elmi. Natasha. Grisha. Okay, I think Natasha. Natasha or Elmi or Natasha? Okay, guys, it's been our last game winner, Elmi from Holland, Natasha from Russia. One more time, thank you very much. Dankjewel, dankeschön. Spasibo большое, Natasha. Elmi, dankjewel. Grisha, dankjewel. Vanessa, dankjewel. Any guest, it's been our new Miss Paradiso for 2 weeks. 2 haftalık yeni Paradiso'nun yeni hanımefendisi. Our new Miss Paradiso, Natasha and Elmi.
Don't mess with me. I am the one. Party on. Don't mess with me. I am the one.
Hey guys, one more time, applause for this man, alkış for Elmi from Holland, Natasha from Russia. Hey guys, also applause for this man, alkış for Grisha and Vanessa. Grisha, okay. And now ladies, go backside please. Backside. Yes. Nazar, çuçu nazar. Please. And now everyone stand up please. Time is all. Club Paradiso dance. Istayon bacağınızda. Istayon. Ladies. Istayon bacağı. Ayağa kalkalım. Evet. Evet Türkiye. Ayağa kalkalım. Hanımlar ayağa kalkalım. Ya o yeter oturdunuz ya. Hadi. Okay. Everybody istayon bacağınızda. Stand up please. Ayağa kalkalım. Time is all. Club Paradiso dance. Dansçıları var. Holland. Mr. Paradiso. Mr. Paradiso. Stand up. Stand up. Dansçıları var also. Germany. Deutschland. Yes. Sergey. Oleg. Okay. And now everybody hands up. Rükü erkeler havaya. Rükü haberler havaya. Rükü erkeler havaya. Nuh Bey. Jean. Stand up. Stand up. Yeah. Bravo. Hands up. Rükü erkeler havaya. Rükü hançeş. And now clap your hands in by count. Check.